Welcome to another episode of Cheap Watch Choices here on Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. This is a watch from a company called Jewelry We. It says right here, but they didn't make this watch. They give you an extra battery. There's really firm foam lining in here. A little dirty. I don't know what stuff is in here. And it's very safely packed away. See, it's made by our friends over at Ohm, who make some really funky, weird pieces. So this is, I love these search term labels. It's a Jewelry We men's watch, leather, alloy, elegant. I guess they're mixing up their words because it's not a leather alloy. I guess they mean an alloy case. Elegant analog quartz compass thermometer. Compass and thermometer. Bracelet watch with 2 dials. Black, Christmas Day, birthday. They actually put the words Christmas Day and birthday into the name of the product. I guess they're trying to give you an idea of what kind of gift it could be, but it is hilarious. Attention. The first line in the description says, attention, the compass and the thermometer are incorrect and are only for decoration. They don't even say they may be correct. They may have occasionally, glimmers of accuracy. They literally just say that they're there for decoration. I think that's funny. They say it's a Japanese quartz movement, probably. Well, 2. They probably have 2 little ones in here, because I guess you could functionally use it as a GMT, but oh goodness, it is. This thing is hilarious. When you look at the thermometer, for example, let's see if we can zoom in on that a little bit better. The thermometer at least is reasonably accurate, but I could easily believe that this compass would never point to north on a good day. And then the 2 clocks, it still has the little plastic things to keep the watch from running. Yeah, so, and that was not easy. That was not easy to take off. But now, as you see, they are both running. So at least the 2 clocks are functional clocks. And I mean, yeah, I would give this to a 14-year-old. Maybe a 12-year-old. I think a 14-year-old might have a little bit too much class by then. But then again, if you're into busy, fun, funky, chunky watches, this isn't a bad product to buy. It will give you 2 time zones, and the thermometer looks to be reasonably accurate. But yeah, I wouldn't trust the compass at all. But all in all, not a bad piece. Let's put it on the wrist. Yeah, it'd be suitable for a 12-year-old, or maybe it pushes your buttons. I'm not going to say what you should and shouldn't wear. Some people may really like this piece. For me, novelty piece, I might wear it on Carnival, but I'll probably gift it to a friend, because there will be people who would, like something like this, and why not wear it if you want it? If you really like a piece, don't not wear it just because you are worried about what other people would think. You should never think about what other people think when you're wearing a watch. It's just not my piece of cake. So you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, tell your friends, or at least like it, and have a great day.